Hey, how's it going? My name's Chippy and I'm the drummer for the band Buried by My Heartache. And the reason why I absolutely love Collision Drumsticks, okay, first, the durability of them. They are insane. I've done 3 practices and a live gig and still you can't tell that I've even used them. Okay, they are insane. I used the 5A size. The reason is that they are strong enough, okay, in order for me to do the rim shots, in order for me to do the blast beats, but they're also light enough. Okay, they're light enough, enabled for me to do the blast beats and swerve all the way around the kit more fluid and more fluently. So yeah, this is me playing Whispers from our debut EP, Heart Shaped Grenades. Please enjoy.
His skin